We began using drones around 2018.
We were able to see a situation from a completely different perspective that we never had in the past.
Some of those benefits were saving resources and time, plus officer safety and community safety.
As the UAS program became more successful, the department began to see a need to go beyond what our current capabilities were.
Alhambra is a small community, and our citizens expect quick reaction time from our police department, and that's exactly what they're getting with Aerodome.
Responding to a 211 at 345 East Main Street.
The citizen will call our 911 dispatching center. Our dispatchers will take the call and then start inputting data into our dispatching system. The teleoperator can read this call for service and then evaluate if it meets the threshold for us to fly to that type of call.
String 1, code 6.
So our Aerodome drones are launched from the rooftop of our police station.
Aerodome has what they call a drone dock, where the drone is housed. They'll actually launch the drone and fly to the call for service.
We don't have to have a human on the roof.
The drone can take off at a moment's notice, and we have a pilot working from a desktop in the station, piloting that drone. By flying as the way a bird flies, the drone is getting there much quicker than a police officer would.
The first eye on scene is the drone on every call.
204, I'll be en route to Main Street.
When we're getting units en route, our drone operator is already overhead.
Those police officers that are actually responding to that call from the ground is able to see those perspectives.
Our officers are getting used to having a drone overhead. It makes them feel comfortable. They're not going to get surprised by anything.
As soon as the drone lands, fresh batteries are swapped into it, and then within minutes, we're actually up and flying again. It's going to help with de-escalation with subjects in the field. It's going to increase our officers' safety.
There are countless calls that the drone can go on that we can benefit from. So having the best equipment will allow us to keep this community much safer. And once you start a DFR program, I think it would be very hard to go back